Still packing your eBay orders by hand, here's how I automated everything with Amazon. So you can see my eBay listing right here. It looks great. What happens is when somebody purchases this eBay listing, Amazon automatically gets notified and ships it to the customer from eBay. It even automatically puts in the tracking number and even pulls the address. So everything from shipping to monitoring is automated, which is awesome. Now you can just Google Map My Channel. This is the free tool you can use to do this. So click on, or just Google Map My Channel. Here it is. Once you're here, you're going to click Login. Then you're going to scroll down and click Sign Up. You can just sign up. Let's see, test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. JJ 1, 2, 3. And then we're just going to sign up for free. Username is taken. And it looks like we are good to go. So what you're going to do now is you're going to connect your eBay account. And then on number 2, you're going to connect your Amazon account and just make sure those are synced with one another. Once that's done, you can have a friend do a test buy on your eBay and it's going to come in just like this. So it's going to have the order ID, the order date, the source eBay, and it's going to say accepted. You can even view it on Amazon because you can see the order actually getting notified by Amazon and shipped to the eBay customer, which is awesome. Now, if you go to integration, you can make sure that the order synced, the tracking synced, inventory synced. That way it shows the same exact inventory as it does on eBay. So 17 and Amazon 17 left are all synced. Now you do have to have Amazon FBA inventory for this to work, but still it's an amazing process that can help automate everything. Not only that, you can click on this green pencil icon. What's going to happen is you can make sure that Amazon ships it in a blank box. So they don't ship it in an Amazon box, it's in a blank box. So the eBay customer doesn't get concerned at all. If we go to plans, you can see the different pricing. So if you scroll all the way down, they do have a free plan. And I just recommend staying on the free plan the entire time. And if you want to upgrade, you can upgrade the plans. I'm not an affiliate, but that's pretty much the step-by-step on how to do this. Now, if you're still confused and you're like, I need extra help, you can just go to the link in our description and go to our website, go to services, courses. And I did create a step-by-step course on how to do this. It's much more in-depth, but this video should be solid for you to get started. Another thing we have is how to connect TikTok to Amazon, which is a little bit more difficult. But if you wanted to get started on TikTok and have Amazon do the shipping, you can also do that. And I have a course on that as well. But that's it for today's video. If you want more eBay or Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, expanding to eBay, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us. Also, one of our most popular services is our full Amazon account management service. This is what will fully manage your Amazon account, help you expand to eBay, Etsy, TikTok, Walmart, and help automate everything one step at a time. Not only that, on your Amazon account will help with advertising, calling Amazon, increasing sales, and much, much more. So you can focus on expanding your business while we're doing the day-to-day operations. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.